In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page in Wix Studio. If you've ever found yourself wanting to have a page on your site that isn't immediately visible in your navigation menu, this guide will walk you through the easy steps to achieve just that. Let's start by navigating to your Wix Studio editor. When you open the editor, your workspace will initially provide an overview of your site. All your design tools and elements are available here, so you can make modifications efficiently. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll notice a variety of options, but what we're looking for is the Pages panel. Go ahead and click on it. This panel is your gateway to managing all the pages on your website. Once you've opened the Pages panel, you'll see a list of all the pages you've created in your Wix site. Your task is to locate the specific page that you want to hide. As you hover over each page name, you'll notice that options to manage that page start to appear. This setup is quite user-friendly as it provides quick access without cluttering your view with too many options at once. Now that you've identified the page you'd like hidden, move your cursor to the right side of its name. You'll see 3 small dots appear. These dots represent the More Actions menu. Go ahead and click on those dots. This menu provides you various controls over your page, from settings to permissions. Among the options that appear, look for one that says Hide from Menu. Selecting this option allows your page to remain active and accessible via direct links while ensuring it doesn't show up in the site's main navigation menu. This tool is particularly useful for pages that are in progress or for special events or content that you might not want immediately visible to all of your site visitors. Once you've selected Hide from Menu, the changes will be saved automatically, simplifying the process for you. You don't need to worry about losing your work or not having it updated immediately. Just like that, your specified page is now hidden from the main menu, but will still be available for any direct linking you might want to employ. Whether you're managing a small personal site or a complex business platform, understanding how to hide pages can enhance both your site's privacy and user experience. Ensuring some pages are not easily accessible can help guide your site visitors efficiently without exposing all content at once. Hopefully, this guide makes managing your Wix site a little smoother. Enjoy customizing your online space with ease.